Today we would like to discuss the photochemical aromatic substitution. As far as the reactions on aromatic ring systems are concerned, our previous knowledge indicates that the most characteristic reaction in aromatic compounds like benzene. So, for example, what we have learned so far in earlier that benzene is an electron rich species, and under catalytic condition, most characteristic reaction of benzene is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution is the most characteristic reaction in benzene. So when we have an electrophile, means electron deficient species such as R plus or COR plus or NO2 plus and so on and so forth. So it is possible to introduce an electrophile such as via this in the generation of an electrophile we can introduce an alkyl group, we can introduce an SI group, we can introduce an NO2 group, can group SO2 SO3 group, and so on and so forth. So the most characteristic reaction what we have learned in the benzene ring is the electrophilic aromatic substitution. As far as photochemical aromatic substitution is concerned, the electrophilic substitution is not very common, where on the other hand the nucleophilic, under photolytic condition, nucleophilic under photochemical condition, nucleophilic aromatic substitution is most common than electrophilic aromatic substitution. So enormous studies have been done to see the nucleophilic aromatic substitution under photolytic conditions. So today we would like to discuss the nucleophilic aromatic substitution under photolytic condition. The experimental evidence indicates that the three rules for predicting orientation of photonucleophilic aromatic substitution are available. I mean, there are three rules are the nucleophilic photochemical nucleophilic aromatic substitution follow three rules depending upon the substituent present in the benzene ring. So we are trying to introduce a nucleophile in a benzene ring under photolytic condition, and under these photolytic condition. So before going to this, I just want to mention here our previous knowledge also indicate that as we have just now talked about the electrophilic aromatic substitution, when we are under a normal catalytic condition, the electrophile, if there is already group present in the benzene ring, the electrophile is governed by the group present in the benzene ring. If a nature of the group is electron donating, the incoming group, that electrophile adds to either ortho or para position. That's what we have learned. There are some electron donating group are ortho and para directing, and on the other hand, if we have group which are electron withdrawing like cyano, nitro, and so on and so forth, it is meta directing. So this is also our previous knowledge says that benzene, the most characteristic reaction of benzene is the electrophilic substitution reaction under normal catalytic condition, not involving any photochemistry. Also our previous knowledge indicates that the group, if there is already group one group is present, means substituted benzene. If there is if the benzene is substituted and the nature of the group which is present in the benzene decides where the incoming group is going to come, whether it is going to come in ortho position or a meta position or a para position, and that depends upon what is the nature of the group present in the benzene ring, whether it is a electron donating group or an electron withdrawing group. And we are also we know that the electron donating groups direct the incoming group to ortho position and para position, whereas electron withdrawing groups direct the incoming group at meta position. So as far as the photochemical reactions are concerned, as I mentioned just now, nucleophilic aromatic substitution is the most common reaction under photolytic condition as compared to electrophilic aromatic substitution. Under these photochemical reaction, experimental evidences also indicate that there are three rules for the orientation of the photonucleophilic aromatic substitution, depending upon the nature of the group which is present in the benzene ring. Rule 1 says that meta orientation of incoming nucleophile by the electron withdrawing. If there is a group present in the benzene is electron withdrawing, such as nitro. If nitro group is present in the benzene ring, the nucleophile, this nitro group directs the nucleophile to meta position. So that is first rule indicates, and there are enough evidences about this rule, and people have done enormous amount of studies by looking into this step by. So one of the example for this rule, that there is a group which is present in the benzene ring. As the electron nature of this group is nitro, which is electron withdrawing. It drags the electron density from the benzene ring, and there are two methoxy group at 1,2 position, and hence under thermal condition, the nucleophile is OH minus comes to at para position. So this is under thermal condition. Under thermal condition, the nitro group, which is electron withdrawing, directs the incoming nucleophile at para position. On the other hand, under photochemical condition, the incoming nucleophile directed by the electron withdrawing group at meta position. So this is one rule regarding the photochemical nucleophilic aromatic substitution, that if an electron withdrawing group is present in the benzene ring under photolytic condition, the incoming nucleophile comes at meta position. That is what the rule 1 says that, and hence it is well established by enormous amount of studies by having a different electron withdrawing group like cyano and so on and so forth, which we are going to look into in next few slides. The second rule says that if an electron releasing group is present, in the benzene ring, that is OCH3, and we know that the nature of OCH3 is electron density. It donates the electron density through bond, and it has had a plus I effect, and whereas a nitro group is having a minus I effect. So when an electron donating group is present, it directs the incoming nucleophile. Under photolytic condition to ortho and para position. So this is the second rule for the photochemical nucleophilic aromatic substitution, that if an electron releasing group such as methoxy group is present under photolytic condition, nucleophile comes to ortho and para position of the benzene ring. The examples are shown over here. See, this is an electron, electron releasing group. So this is the electron releasing group. Electron releasing, it has a plus I effect, and under photolytic condition, these are the two nucleophiles. In one case is OH minus is a nucleophile, and the second case OCH3 is a nucleophile. You can say that the nucleophile substitutes replaces chloro group, and we get a para substituted hydroxy derivative and para substituted methoxy derivative. This is the and in photochemical reaction, and you can say that the substitution takes place at para position when electron donating group or electron releasing group present in the benzene ring is under photolytic condition. Under the third rule says that in the case of naphthalene derivative, when we have a naphthalene, we know that this is alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon. So alpha orientation of incoming nucleophile takes place in naphthalene under photolytic condition. This is a third rule. So when we have a naphthalene derivative, the alpha position is going to be substituted under photolytic condition by a nucleophile. So the nucleophile here is a hydroxy group which replaces NO2 group to give a alpha hydroxy derivative. And if we do not have a substituent alpha position, the hydrogen is also replaced by a nucleophile such as CN minus at the addition takes place at alpha position, giving rise to alpha cyano derivative. And again, if alpha cyano derivative is substituted with OH, it gives OH, or it's vice versa. The OH is substituted by a cyano group in alpha at alpha position. So to summarize, as far as the under photolytic condition, most common reaction is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and there are three rules regarding the nucleophilic photochemical substitution reaction, and that is depending upon the substituent which is present in the benzene ring. If an electron withdrawing group is present, the incoming nucleophile comes to at meta position, whereas the second rule says, that is the example for this. And then under photolytic condition, we have a substitution and meta position. And the second rule says that if an electron releasing group is present in the benzene ring, such as methoxy group, the incoming nucleophile it comes at ortho and para position. And this is an example where exclusively we get a substituent at nucleophile. This is a photochemical reaction. There are two nucleophiles. OH minus OCH3 is replaced by at the para position. A third rule says that in the naphthalene derivatives, when we have polyaromatic hydrocarbons, like not only the single ring, but we have a naphthalene ring, then there are two defined positions in the naphthalene. First carbon is the alpha carbon, or we can call it a carbon number 1 is carbon number 2, alpha beta. The photochemical substitution takes place at alpha carbon, giving rise to alpha substituted nucleophile derivative. So this alpha nitro naphthalene derivative under photolytic condition, when treated with OH minus, cyano is replaced by OH and we get an alpha substituted derivative. When there is no substituent in naphthalene, under photolytic condition, cyano CN minus is a nucleophile. So the cyano, even hydrogen is replaced by the cyano replaced from alpha position, giving rise to alpha derivative. And this, once again, the vice versa takes place for these two systems. So as mentioned, people have done a lot of studies by taking several examples to establish these three rules: rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3 for this electron withdrawing group, like an NO2 group is present, electron releasing group OCH3 is present. It directs the incoming nucleophile under photolytic condition meta position, whereas electron releasing group is present. It directs the incoming group at ortho and para position. We have seen one example only for para position because there is a leaving group at present at para position. Third rule says that in polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons such as naphthalene, the substitution takes place at alpha carbon exclusively, and that's are the three examples which explain the two studies. As I have mentioned, more and more studies have been done as far as photochemical nucleophilic substitution is concerned. Here an example here, the electron releasing group such as methoxy group is there under photolytic condition. Nucleophile is cyano. We get a para substituted as well as ortho substituted. Ortho-substituted and para-substitution nucleophilic aromatic substitution takes if electron releasing group is present, and whereas if there is a leaving group at para position, cyano replaces the leaving group from para position, give exclusively para orientation takes place in the case of photocyanation of anisole and para-anisole. So photocyanation of 3-dimethoxybenzenes have been also. So as I mentioned, people have done enormous amount of studies to establish these reactions, means the effect of nucleophile on the electron withdrawing group and electron releasing group. So there are two methoxy group present at 1,2 position under photolytic condition. Cyano is Cn minus is the nucleophile. Tertiary butoxide is a solvent. Tertiary butyl water is a solvent, and we can say that there is ortho substitution takes place is electron releasing group. Electron releasing group takes place directs the replacement of a nucleophile from ortho position. We get an ortho cyanoderivate, and if we have the meta 1,3 substitution, so people have 1,2, 1,3 and 1,4 substituted electron releasing group and looked at the photochemical nucleophilic photochemical substitution in all the three cases, and we can say that the electron releasing group directs the incoming ortho position. This is also ortho, and when there is a present electron leaving group is present in a para position, replaces the group from para by a nucleophile. So you can say that auto-directing, the electron releasing group is strong, directs the incoming nucleophile under photolytic condition at ortho and para position. We have more examples have been studied by substituting both the ortho group and a 1, 2, 3 trimethoxybenzene, 1, 2, 4 trimethoxybenzene, and then you have 1, 3, 5 trimethoxybenzene under photolytic condition. Cn minus is a nucleophile. Tertiary butyl water is a mixture solvent. So here you can say that the 1,2 position ortho substituted, and then you have a nucleophile at here you have a cyano again is a substitution at one position, and then a cyano again substitution. So these are the few examples which establishes the orientation rule of the orientation rule regarding the nucleophilic photochemical substitution, depending upon the nature of the group present in the benzene ring, whether it is an electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group, or whether it is a monocyclic system or a bicyclic system. So to summarize, as far as the nucleophilic substitution in the benzene is concerned, under photolytic condition, the most studies reaction is the photochemical nucleophilic substitution reaction, and nucleophile the group which is present in the benzene ring directs the incoming group at meta position by electron withdrawing group, ortho and para position by electron releasing group, and when we have in the case of naphthalene, the substitution takes place at alpha position, as we have seen in these two cases. So that is for all today. Thank you very much. We'll continue on the next turn.